Hi friends, it's Becky, and I have a little package that I want to share with you today. The other day, I was just hanging out online, checking websites as you do, and I saw at the Gemstone Orphanage website for our friends at Homestore Jewelry that they had uploaded some new, what they call naked babies, which is a gemstone that needs adopting. So you can purchase just the gemstone by itself, or you can add on a dress-up bag to go with it. And there was one gemstone in particular that I saw that had not been claimed yet, that I absolutely fell head over heels in love with as soon as I saw it. And I am so happy that it arrived at my house today while my sister is here visiting. So she's going to be here to help me to ooh and ah and to help me sort it into a 15 grid organizer, because I did get the dress up bag to go with it. And so I'm going to have like all of this space to sort it into for when I do some creating with it. But let's pull out.
Always more fun to open something with someone else who can appreciate what you're looking at.
Exactly. She's also a big fan of our Gemstone Orphanage guys. She usually gets to open up the subscription boxes. So when I can do one of these naked babies or one of the other boxes, it makes me really happy. But this is Ruby in fuchsite. So let's open her up, see what they look like, because it was absolutely deliciously, perfectly planned that I saw it, fell in love, and grabbed it right away. So we've got our guy, and they are tied to their little dress-up bag so that it doesn't get lost. You gotta hold hands. We're just a little tangly today. But yeah, Ruby and Fuchsite Teardrop. It is so pretty, my friends. Wait until you see. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? That is such a gorgeous, gorgeous green color with that purple. Like the big pops of purple. Isn't that beautiful? Jenny?
Yes.
Do you want to hold it?
It is gorgeous.
Yay.
And I love it. I love it. That is so pretty. It does have a name.
Yep, her name is Alexei. It's of Greek origin, derived from Alexios, and it means defender or defender of men. So
Ooh, that's also super appropriate for you, Becky. Your Valkyries on your shoulders.
It is. So we've got those. Jenny's mentioning Valkyries. I have on my back, I have a tattoo of Athena on one half of my back and a Valkyrie on the other. So.
And isn't Athena a Greek goddess?
She is.
Well, there we go.
A Greek goddess. Exactly. So this is very, very much, I love this, like emerald greens and all of these beautiful, yay, I love fluorite. This is such a beautifully curated dress-up bag. It is
more fluorite.
Perfect for this. We've got some gunmetal findings. We've got all sorts of beautiful beads. I'm going to go down the little list and let's take a look at all of these guys. I'm also going to make some space in here for Alexei to have its own room right there in my organizer. So they can do that. And I'm just gonna sit down real quick. Thank you for getting me. Jenny just grabbed me some wire cutters so that I can open up some of these strands. But let's take a look at the findings bag first, because that's the first thing on this list, where we have a 30 to 36 inch chain. If I can open this. Oh my goodness, Jenny, I'm having trouble opening this. Can you help me with that?
It's so lovely having an assistant.
I love having an assistant. You know what though? You're more than just an assistant or a sister. I have an assister.
You have an assister. So this bag has the chain, but it also has the bail, which is also probably on your list.
Yes, but let's pull this chain up because it is this gorgeous Figaro chain. Look at this. That is so pretty.
And it has a clasp attached.
Oh, there's already a clasp. So I not only get the chain, I get a clasp, and I get a, sorry, I bumped my camera with my hand. There you go, I get a little pinch bail, and pinch bails are really easy to use. You just widen this out enough that you can fit your your gemstone into it, and then, as the name implies, pinch it closed, and it works great. I actually used one on my gemstone that I was creating with last night. I used one there. I'm going to go ahead and put that one right in here. There's also a couple of ear wires, one pair of earring hooks. Jenny, I am really having trouble opening up my Ziploc baggies. Would you open up some of these other bags for me so that I am not struggling on the screen?
Absolutely.
Gotta have it in a sister. So we've got gemstone, crystal, strands, and bags. So we've got 8mm rainbow fluorite rounds. There are 20 of these right here on this. It is A-grade rainbow fluorite. I love rainbow fluorite. I think it is one of my favorite gemstones.
Perfect choice with this fuchsite.
Absolutely perfect.
Well done, Debbie.
Yes. Debbie Caldwell from Gemstone Orphanage, she does such an amazing job usually curating these dress-up bags that go with these gemstones. It is always, to me, worth it to get a dress-up bag when you get your gemstone, because it's not just a couple of beads that go with it. It's like the perfect beads that go with it. And I'm just pulling that off of here so that we can get these guys out.
In fact, if you were looking at the Naked Babies on the website, it shows a picture of the gemstone you would actually be getting, but then it just shows some examples of dress-up bags. That in no way means that it would be one of those 3 pictures that are imaged. They are literally hand-selected to go with that specific pendant. So absolutely a good choice to grab it.
Curated.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly.
It's not a generic, oh, let's add this packet.
Exactly. We've also got some 4mm rainbow fluorite. Look at these tiny babies.
They're so pretty.
Aren't they adorable? I love
that sweet pale green.
Yes, that is so perfect. I'm just unstringing these guys so they can go next to their grown-up big sisters over there in my organizer. We've got room in the organizer for everybody to have their own space. So we do not need to roommate situation any of these guys. Next, we've got some 8x6 crystal discs, and this is A, B, C green. And when we get these crystal discs, we also get a little twofer. There are some, looks like they are frosted AB 80C beads in there with it. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these guys on their strand for now in my organizer, so we don't need to unstring that. They are flexible enough that they curl up really nicely in that little space. All right, and then next we've got some 6x4 crystal rounds. There are 25 of these, and it is amethyst color. I'm gonna give a little wiggle, see if we can get some sparkle going on there. We love sparkle. Don't we, Jenny?
We adore sparkle.
We adore sparkle.
Fun shapes and facets are our friends.
And why don't you go ahead and pour that out on here, because that is the next one. These 4mm bicones.
They're very jaunty.
I love that.
Jumping everywhere. There we go. I gathered them.
So these are like emerald green, Austrian crystal bicones. And we've got sparkle there too. Look at that sparkle go. Yes. Loving it. These are such a perfect color to go with this. Like, so well matched, so well curated. I love that color. This is perfect fuchsia. Fuchsia. All right, so we've got some shaped gemstone bag.
That's all of these. So that next listing all comes out of this pile of goodies.
All right, so you've got a 25mm jasper coin focal. So that's this guy right here. And this is just such a beautiful little gemstone coin focal. I'm gonna stick them right in there. And then let's see, we've got some praise jasper. It's praise jasper is what it's called. It's not just jasper, it's praise jasper. This is a praise jasper rectangle. There are 4 of these. I would love to know more about praise jasper because this is, I think, the first time that I've gotten this. And it is going to be such a great match for our little guy there. Look at that.
Yes.
Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to go ahead and stick these guys in here with my coin bead. Well, actually, no, they can have their own little room. We've got space for everybody.
We do have
We've got space for everybody. All right, then we've got some green and purple Marquise cut gemstone beads. And this is a green purple agate. And I love that it is semi-opaque in places because it makes me think of that rainbow fluorite.
It really does.
They're 16 by 12 millimeter, and there are 6 of these guys in here. Ooh, where are you going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did it go?
It landed in the...
There it is.
Yes.
I found it. For some reason, I was like, where
Just
where
keep
is
one
it?
spot open for the one bag we have left after that.
Yeah, it's gonna go right here.
Yeah.
We've got some spaces for our other friends over here. But then we've got some rainbow fluorite flowers. Aren't they pretty?
Those are the sweetest.
They are the sweetest. I am loving these guys. These would be these two immediately. Sorry, these two are gonna be earrings.
Oh yeah, they match so nicely.
They are so well matched. Earrings. I already have plans for that.
Do you want to set them aside?
No, I'm putting them
You're
right
gonna
in here.
remember.
I'm gonna remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sometimes I set mine aside if I want to do something specific with it, just because
You don't want
otherwise
to
I
forget.
might start putting them all together on a bracelet and be like, oh, wasn't I going to do? Oh no.
And then I've got some ruby and fuchsite faceted rondelles. So this is the exact same stone as my focal. It looks like my green is a little bit of a darker green on these, but I don't think that's a problem.
A little bit earthier green.
Yeah,
warmer.
A little warmer. It's a warmer ruby as well. So we'll go ahead and stick those in there. And then we've got some more rainbow fluorite. These are faceted rondelles. They are 6 by 4 millimeters, and I think one of them jumped ship.
I think so.
And I was
Into
like,
the flowers.
Into the flowers. Gotta go join your friends over there. So I'm actually going to stick them in here with my 4 millimeter rounds because there's a bunch of space in there.
What a good choice.
And they will hang out well together. And we've got one more bag. You ready, Jenny?
It's going straight in the dish.
Thank you for being such a good assister.
You're welcome.
And this is ruby and fuchsite gemstone chips. I love gemstone chips for these fun things. Yep. This is gorgeous, beautiful, and this rounds out the entire dress-up bag that we got from our friends at Gemstone Orphanage. So happy that we got this, and I'm so happy that it arrived while Jenny was here so she could have the fun of helping me sort it and oohing and
I
eyeing.
get to see it in person. I mean, it's going to be great on video, but I get to see it in person, friends.
Exactly. We are having a lot of fun doing all of these things together, and we hope you guys are having a great holiday weekend as well. Definitely check back at Gemstone Orphanage. Sometimes they sell out of their babies, and sometimes they'll just drop some, and you might score something really fun and cute. You know,
they did recently add a bunch, so they made if there's going to be some, you have a good chance right now, but they have been selling like hotcakes.
Yep.
So definitely go check it out.
Yeah.
And it's all kinds of different gemstones, and each one, like we said, is going to have its own curated bag
I
that
also
you can choose to
look
buy.
at this. This was my thank you gift. They
Oh,
sent
lovely.
some free little briolets.
You can put them in with
I
your
can put them in
earwires.
with my ear wires. Exactly. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put it on my dish first so that we can see. They're a moody gray, and there's some seed beads that went with it.
Mm-hmm.
But they are so sparkly. So that was a little freebie. It wasn't part of this, but I
You know
think
what? They would go well because
They
this has
would,
like
with-
the gunmetal.
with the gunmetal colors, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gray's
That-
not out of place.
Gray's not out of place. So there we have my naked baby and my little dress-up bag. And it wasn't like a ton of stuff, not like you get with the subscription or with some of the special edition things, but it is definitely enough to make several sets of jewelry with.
100% worth the extra $10 to get the dress up.
Yes, exactly.
If you're
Like,
going to get the baby, get the dress up bag.
I bought this, and then all of this was just $10, which is ridiculous, and you guys are not charging enough money for what you're giving us.
But we love you, Steve and
I
Debbie.
appreciate it because it just makes it so much nicer and so much more fun. But yeah, check out Gemstone Orphanage. We'll put a link in the description below. They also have a YouTube channel. It is the Homestrung Jewelry YouTube channel. We'll put a link to that as well. You can go subscribe. They will do videos very often when they're going to have a drop of some new naked babies, or when they're about to release a special edition box.
Or do adoption auctions,
Exactly.
which is a fun live sale kind of situation. Whoever bids the highest takes that baby and their dress up.
Which is super fun. But yeah, we really appreciate them. And go check them out because they are fantastic and they do such a beautiful job putting gemstones together into a fun little bundle for you. Until next time, my friends, happy beading.
And don't forget to play. Bye.
Bye.